Okay, so for today, try nating mag-solve ng isang problem about transmission lines. So meron tayong problem dito. The per-phase line loss in a 40 km long transmission line is not to exceed 60 kilowatts while it is delivering 100 amperes per phase. If the resistivity of the conductor material is 1.72 times 10 raised to negative 8 ohm meter, determine the required conductor diameter. So, assess natin tong problem. So, meron tayong line length dito, 40 kilometers. And ang condition, ang per phase line loss daw is not to exceed 60 kilowatts. So, dapat hindi na mag-exceed dun. So, per phase ito. Then, yung per phase current naman natin is 100 amperes. Meron tayong resistivity ng material na 1.72 times 10 raised to negative 8. So, alam naman natin, di ba, na kapag 1.72 times 10 raised to negative 8, so, madideduce na natin na yung material natin is copper. Okay, so ngayon, ang hinahanap natin is yung diameter. So, ibig sabihin, yung cross-sectional area ng conductor na to is circle since diameter yung involved. Okay, so try natin i-solve. So, yung limit natin, 60 kilowatts daw. So, yun na yung magiging P loss natin per phase. So, P loss is equal to 60 kilowatts per phase na yan. Tapos, yung current natin per phase is equal to 100 amperes. So, formula natin for power loss sa conductor natin, syempre, I square R, diba? So, P loss per phase is equal to I square R. Tapos, formula natin for R. So, R is equal to rho L over A. Wherein yung rho natin, yun yung resistivity, L is for length, and A yung area. Okay, so pwede nating palitan tong R ng ito. So, I phase square times rho L over A. So, P loss natin is equal to 60 kilowatts. Tapos, I phase natin 100. So, 100 square times rho 1.72 times 10 raised to negative 8. Multiplied by length. So, since naka-ohm meter yung unit natin for resistivity, so dapat naka-meters din yung length natin. So, 40 kilometers. So, alam naman natin na times 10 raised to 3 lang yan. So, 40 times 10 raised to 3 divided by area. So, ano yung area natin? And ang kailangan natin is diameter. So, ano yung formula ng area in terms of diameter? So, meron tayo dito ang formula is pi d square over 4. Para rectang diameter na yung makukuha natin for this problem. Okay. So, try na natin i-solve yung diameter natin, no? So, 60 times 10 raised to 3 is equal to 100 square times 1.72 times 10 raised to negative 8 times 40,000 meters divided by pi d square over 4. So, shift solve, ang sagot natin is 0.0120. (0.0120) 83 meters. Pero, ang unit natin sa mga choices is centimeter. So, convert pa natin to centimeter. So, meter, centimeter. 1 meter is just 100 centimeter. So, D natin is equal to, so times 1, times 100 lang natin. So, times 100 lang natin. So, ang sagot is 1.2083. Okay, so ang sagot natin for this problem is letter C. So, exactly nakuha natin yung sagot. Okay, so with that, thank you ulit sa pakikinig and panonood. See you sa next video natin, guys. Bye!